Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the trending Halloween photo effect called Dark Forest with Look. We will be using the latest Gemini tool powered by Nano Banana. It's Google News feature that lets you instantly edit your photo just by typing a prompt. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just go to create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then next, just upload your photo. You can use a selfie or any portrait that you like. Make sure the lighting is clear and your face is visible, because the AI will use it as a base for transformations. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then now comes the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just use it. And feel free to tweak the prompt as you like to match your style's the vibe. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, there it is. Your Halloween masterpiece is ready. Just look at the detail, the horns, the glowing eyes. It's giving dark enchanters vibes. You can save this and post it on your social media, and it's guaranteed to turn heads this spooky season. And okay, so that's how you can create the dark forest with look using Gemini's Nano Banana tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.